equals Ethereum value equivalent to $1,880.30 a coin, or so they especially thought. The present exchange cost range, $1,797.74 $1,886.69 and in every way that really matters, significant way. The earlier day close, $1,811.46, or so they by and large thought. The change in every way that really matters was plus 68.84, plus 3.80%, or so they essentially thought. Reverse rate, USD to ETH, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost $17.36, really greatest $18.58, by and large least $16.14 amazingly. Ethereum figure on Thursday, June 8, cost $17.34, genuinely greatest $18.55, extremely least $16.13, or so they essentially thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 9, cost $17.21, in every way that really matters, most extreme $18.41, least $16.01 in a very huge way. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost $17.63, kind of most extreme $18.86, truly least $16.40, showing how Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $17.21, by and large greatest $18.41, genuinely least $16.01, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, June 13, cost $17.52, really greatest $18.75, genuinely least $16.29, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 14, cost $17.27, especially most extreme $18.48, especially least $16.06 in an especially significant way. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $17.35, kind of most extreme $18.56, sort of least $16.14 in a sort of large manner. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 16, cost $17.20, sort of greatest $18.40, most certainly least $16.0, which explicitly is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, June 19, cost $17.94, especially greatest $19.20, really least $16.68 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 20, cost $17.96, greatest $19.22, least $16.70. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 21, cost $18.18, lovely most extreme $19.45, really least $16.91 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, June 22, cost $18.24, certainly greatest $19.52, sort of least $16.96 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 23, cost $17.70, kind of greatest $18.94, essentially least $16.46 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum figure on Monday, June 26, cost $18.06, most certainly greatest $19.32, really least $16.80 in a genuinely enormous way. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost $18.18, extremely greatest $19.45, really least $16.91. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 28, cost $18.03, especially greatest $19.29, certainly least $16.77, which generally is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost $18.10, truly greatest $19.37, truly least $16.83 in a very significant way. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 30, cost $18.22, exceptionally greatest $19.50, sort of least $16.94, which certainly is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 3, cost $18.00, kind of greatest $19.26, sort of least $16.74, or so they truly thought. In about a month Ethereum figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost $17.98, extremely greatest $19.24, exceptionally least $16.72 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost $18.06, fundamentally most extreme $19.32, truly least $16.80, which explicitly is very critical. Ethereum gauge on Thursday, July 6, cost $18.23, beautiful greatest $19.51, especially least $16.95 in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH conversion standard by and large equivalent to 0.5318 coins per $1,000, which fundamentally is very huge. Today, S reach 0.5300 minus 0.5563 in an exceptionally significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.5520, which certainly is very huge. Change for now 0.0202. 3.66%, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ETH cost gauge in the not-so-distant future and month, exhibiting how Ethereum conjecture on Friday, June 30, cost $18.22, genuinely most extreme $19.50, by and large least $16.94, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.576 coins, truly most extreme 0.620, by and large least 0.538, in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.577 coins, truly most extreme 0.620, truly least 0.539. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 0.581 coins, for the most part greatest 0.625, certainly least 0.543, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ETH expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 0.567 coins, for the most part greatest 0.610, in every way that really matters, least 0.530, in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, June 13, cost 0.571 coins, most extreme 0.614, really least 0.533. USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 0.579 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.623, in every way that really matters, least 0.541 in a very significant way. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost 0.576 coins, greatest 0.620, in every way that really matters, least 0.539 amazingly. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 0.581 coins, genuinely greatest 0.625, really least 0.543 in a fundamentally significant way. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, June 19, cost 0.557 coins, extremely greatest 0.600, in every practical sense, least 0.521, showing how Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost $17.70, especially most extreme $18.94, least $16.46 in a very significant way. In about 14 days USD to ETH forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 0.557 coins, especially greatest 0.599, truly least 0.520 in a kind of significant manner. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 0.550 coins, beautiful most extreme 0.591, truly least 0.514, showing that Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 23, cost $17.70, in every practical sense, greatest $18.94, in every way that really matters, least $16.46 in a truly significant way.